know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for...
Finally got them, YouTube, and I am super pumped about this little build series I have coming up with you guys. Originally, I was going to put one on the snowblower, but the more I'm thinking about it, big opportunity to make a few dollars here, and I don't think I'm going to not take it. Here's all 5 of the Yanmar diesels I picked up for a great price. They're all almost 100% complete. All of them are missing mufflers, and all of them are missing gas tanks. Run down the line right here, and we're probably going to do the build series one by one, because I'm not just going to dump a bunch of money into each of them right off the bat. This one, like I said, missing the muffler and the gas tank. Still has the pull rope. I think that's all this one's missing. You know, like I said, I gotta go through all these. And they all have block heaters as well. This one's missing a fuel injector. That's all that one's missing. This one's also missing the pull start, but he had included it. I'm gonna end up putting that one on it. And he actually included an extra electric start, which they all have them. So that'll just be an extra part I have, which is also great. This one's missing the fuel pump, but it has the fuel injector. So it's like the opposite problem this one has. So I might even go as far as just taking that fuel injector off, putting it on this one, or vice versa kind of thing. Fuel injectors and fuel pumps are pretty cheap on eBay, at least the aftermarket ones are. This one also needs a new air filter box. It got crushed in a little bit. I don't want to sell it to someone like that. These two both need a little oil cap on the top. He told me he just put caps there temporarily. That way they weren't open. I think that's just about it. I'm gonna give a better rundown. Again, this is gonna be a little series I have. Super fascinated with these engines because I've never had one before. Tell me what you guys think of these. You know, who knows? Maybe I'll even do a little build. I'll build like a go-kart out of one. Or that'll be down the line. Who knows? Might just sell these off first. Probably will just sell them off, honestly. Alright, YouTube. Diesel Dan Peters, signing out.